Snow, 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 snow. It won't be long before we'll all be back.
It's Rob with Yoro, and we got a bit of snow the last 2 days. I would say we got, in some places, maybe 8 inches up to 16 inches. And, you know, I was sitting in my office going, man, when's the last time I've seen snow in October? So, I want to go for a ride. But before I do that, I need to get gas. So let me get gas, and then we'll go for a ride. Thanks for joining us.
Weather outside is frightful, frightful, frightful.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. Lights are turned down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We got a storm come through, and we got a little bit of snow. We got about 8 inches to a foot depending on where you're at. I've already buried the front end of my ATV. But this is going to be a lot of fun. And yes, these are my new tires, and I'll do a formal introduction of the tires if the video doesn't come out before this one, but they're a lot of fun. So I wanted to at least get out and play in it, so let's go for a quick ride.
Fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. Long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Outside is frightful, but that fire is delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought lots of corn for popping. The lights are way down low, so let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Waiting for the fan. Like I said earlier, these are new tires. They're made by Sun F. They were the most popular tires I could find on Amazon. I want to try them out and do a review. So a review will be coming soon, but the snow came before I could finish the video, so I wanted to also get some snow video. And look at this. I had snow up to my bumper on some of the parts, and that's why you see the snow is compacted in the inside. But these tires are a lot of fun. So let's get back on the ride.